In this tutorial, you will learn how to stop Kidde carbon monoxide alarm from chirping. Step 1. Press and hold the test/reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. This temporarily silences the chirp and confirms the alarm still has power. Step 2. Remove the alarm from its mounting bracket. Twist or slide it off the wall or ceiling base. Step 3. Take out the old batteries. Most models use either 2 AA or a 9-volt battery. Step 4. Install fresh batteries in the correct direction, plus and minus. Make sure they're seated firmly. Loose batteries cause chirping. Step 5. Reattach the alarm to the mounting base. If it's a hardwired model, reconnect the power plug. Step 6. Press the test/reset button again. The alarm should beep once or twice, then stop chirping. Step 7. If it still chirps, check the manufacture date printed on the back. If it's 7 to 10 years old, the unit has reached its end of life. Replace it with a new one. Step 8. Clean the alarm with a soft cloth or compressed air. Dust in the vents can cause false chirping. After new batteries or a replacement, the chirping will stop completely.